still walking? Must be tiring without any wheels.
Welcome home, son. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Papa.
This is going to be the most special birthday gift ever. Perfect. My little boy is going to love this. Open your eyes, son. Happy birthday.
Wow! Thank you, Bob. The best brother.
Always wear your helmet, son. Now go have fun.
Look at me! I have my very own motorcycle. My papa built it. It is made entirely from mangoes.
Hey, Tiny! Think that fruit toy can keep up with a real motorcycle?
No, thank you. My motorcycle is just for fun.
Nobody says no to me! Your toy doesn't deserve to exist! At me! Where do you think you are going, fruit boy? Stop! Please stop! Ha ha ha! Pathetic little fruit toy!
Papa, he destroyed my mango motorcycle.
We will work hard together and buy you a real motorcycle. I promise. Gently, son. Twist and pull. That's it!
I got it, Dad! Look!
20 kilos. Excellent. Let's load up. Looking great, Chef Milo. Let's open for business. Mango smoothies, please. You're welcome. Enjoy.
That one, it is perfect.
And always wear your helmet. Safety first.
It is even more beautiful outside, Papa.
3 rules. Helmet always on. Always check both sides. Follow traffic rules. Promise me.
I promise, Papa.
I'm doing it, Papa.
Perfect. Eyes on the road. Steady.
You are ready, son. I am so proud of you. You again? Where did you get that? Race me, unless you are still a coward. I am not afraid anymore. Let's race. Get out of my way! No! This cannot be happening!
Rex, hold on, I am coming.
Life vest on, ring buoy. I can do this.
Rex! Rex, wake up, please! We're going to be okay!
Hold still. There, all done. Here, Rex, this will warm you up. I am sorry. For everything. You saved my life. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is what you do next. You are welcome here anytime, Rex. Thank you, both of you.
Friends? Friends.
That is what true strength looks like. Today we go fishing, but first some very important rules.
Fishing! I cannot wait, Papa!
First rule, listen carefully. Rule number 1. What is the most important thing near water? Always wear a life vest near the river, even if the water looks calm.
Got it, Papa. Life vest first.
See how the leaves move? That is the current. Always swim toward the bank. Rule number 2. Never go near water alone, always with an adult.
Never alone. Always with you, Papa.
Now we fish, patiently and safely.
I caught one, Papa. My first fish.
What are our 3 water safety rules?
Life vest always.
Never alone, swim toward the bank.
Best day ever, Papa. And I remembered all the rules.
I am proud of you, son. You learned well today.
I will always remember. Life vest, never alone, swim to the bank.
After what happened with Rex, it is time you learn first aid.
What is first aid, Papa?
These are our tools. Antiseptic to clean, cotton to dab, bandage to wrap, tape to hold. Step 1. If you or a friend gets a scrape, first wash it with clean water. Step 2. Dab antiseptic on cotton. It stings but keeps it clean.
Like when you helped Rex.
Step 3. Wrap gently, not too tight, then tape to hold.
Now let me try on you, Papa.
Excellent work, Dr. Milo. A perfect bandage.
And the most important rule, if someone is badly hurt, always call an adult.
Call an adult. Got it, Papa.
You are a fast learner, son. I am always proud of you.
Thank you, Papa, for teaching me everything.